Good morning, world. Welcome back to Florida. Hot, humid, and my kind of place. I'll take this over the cold weather any day. I know some people from north would melt, but I'm okay with it. Anywho, we have 2 days. So we have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday morning we'll be on the road to Alabama. Friday we'll be in Alabama. Saturday we'll be in Alabama. Sunday we'll be riding back. So we've got a packed week ahead of us. So that means I have to get as much stuff done here at the house as we can possibly get done before we leave, which means I don't have time to stand out here and yap. I gotta grab some coffee and get to work. Here we go. All right, the completion of another crazy day. One more day of work and then we're out of here. We're headed to Alabama. So we're trying to get everything wrapped up. Angie spent probably an hour with all of our sponsors on the phone today. Just a big group meeting, seeing what we can do to help them, seeing if they have questions, you know, all that fun stuff. Trying to help them get the most out of their sponsorship with us and, of course, provide them the most value for their money. Anyway, and then today, social media. Tonight we have a workshop in our Support Bikers content creators, and we used to stream that via a company called StreamYard, and it would stream into a YouTube channel and it would also stream into our Facebook group. Well, as of the 22nd of April, it'll no longer stream into our Facebook group. So that was the first thing this morning that we had to figure out how to work around that, because tonight is the live stream. And every Tuesday, I do welcome posts. So that basically tags all our new members from the past week, and it says, welcome to the group, introduce yourself, blah, 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 rah, rah, rah. Well, they have a system in the groups that allows that to do that automatically. So every Tuesday morning, 7 a.m., it does it for this group. Well, guess what? Today it did like two of our 25 groups it actually worked in. So I had to go through all 25 groups, which I do anyway, to let everybody in. That after letting everybody in, I had to go in and do a welcome post for the previous week because Facebook stuff did not work. So it has been a frustrating day, to say the least. Deep breaths. Tonight is the workshop, so we'll see how that goes. But anywho, for those of you that didn't know, if you're a content creator on any platform, we have a Support Bikers Content Creators group on Facebook where people can go and they can share all their tricks, all their tips, ask questions, and learn from people that are using the same camera or have done it before. It was just a place for all of us to talk shop. And so we created that a couple of years ago with the help of Toby Northern and Wind Road Therapy. That's kind of their baby. They wanted to do it. We just kind of helped build a platform for them to do it. And that is their thing. So that is where our workshop is tonight. But anywho, moving on to today's video, or the subject of today's video, since we're already like over halfway through today's video. The other thing I want to tell you is the video I did yesterday, the short asking what's the difference between a biker and a motorcycle enthusiast, it's at about 150,000 views in less than 24 hours. So yeah, it has been popular, to say the least. That's kept me pretty busy too. Lots of comments, like thousands of comments. But anywho, another controversial subject. This. You guys know what that is? Most of you do. It's a Gremlin belt, or a Guardian belt, or an Angel belt. It's whatever the hell you want to call it. Everybody kind of has their own version of it. And there's a whole story to it that somebody has made up, that it keeps the gremlins off your bike. You got to hang it from the lowest point on your bike. It must be given to you. You cannot buy your own. All these rules and regulations, and you can go look it up. Search Gremlin bell, search Guardian bell. The whole story is there. I'm not going to tell you the story because I'll just mess it up. I'll leave something out, and then one of you guys will be like, you're an idiot because it's this and it's that, and damn it, why'd you get it wrong? And anyway, and then you start making fun of my hair again. That's been it today. everybody's like, you got a bad toupee. I have real hair. Real hair. Everybody that knows me knows I got a shit ton of hair. I just haven't got a haircut yet. Come on, guys. Hurt my feelings. Not really. I could care less. But anyway, back to this subject. For me, this has got to be my favorite present to give another biker. And here's why. This is the one present that you can give somebody that essentially says, I care about you and I wish you safe travels. And they will mount it on their bike, and then every time they see it, I can see mine from here, or they hear it when you're pushing your bike, you can hear it dinging. They're going to remember you and think of you. And I think that is what makes this such an awesome present. Now, there are all kinds of designs out there. I had one that was like a skull with an axe in it, and then his throat was the dinger. Like I said, there's all kinds out there. I need one that's a poop emoji, don't I? Anyway, but all kinds for all styles, but what a great present. So if you're looking for something for that motorcyclist, biker, motorcycle enthusiast, rider, whatever the hell you want to call them in your life, go order them a Gremlin bow. If you want a Support Bikers one, we've got them right on the website, supportbikers.com. If you want any kind of design, they're all over the place. You can buy them everywhere. But go get them one of these. It's a cool present that will always remind them of you and the fact that you would like them to be safe while riding their motorcycle. Anywho, guys, that is it. That is the end of today's video, and we will see you all tomorrow.